These can withstand cold temperatures and also withstand high heat. And they're the perfect portion. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing Lovecasa's dishes. Now, this is not the first time that I've used their dishes. I absolutely love the quality that they provide. It is definitely top notch. Even if it's a name that you haven't heard of yet, it's definitely top notch quality. As you guys can see, always beautiful luster. Always solid. So, go over a couple things. These are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven and freezer safe. They are made out of porcelain. And get a nice little set here. Overall, they're beautiful and stunning. Just got done. It is dishwasher safe. No problems whatsoever. Alright guys, we've had this in for over 24 hours. Whew, it's a little cold, but no problem. No cracks, no nothing. It is freezer safe. These can withstand cold temperatures and also withstand high heat. And they're the perfect portion. Easy to grip handles, make it a must-have. And microwavable safe. Overall, these are really nice bowls.